People have used Baba and have literally overburdened him when he was alive, and even in death. They are hanging on to him like you will not believe it. I mean, I'm sorry to say, but these people, if given a chance, they would even take his body to do politics with it. That's the kind of horrible, some of the leadership we have in this country. That they don't know what else to do. They are so used to hanging on to Baba that the panic that you see, you know, when Governor Kahiga unfortunately said those utterances, ODM came out with like 7 press conferences. Everybody was at press conference, you know, everyone trying to ride on to that. And, you know, I mean, to me, it felt like if you're confident in who you are as a politician and the work that you're doing for your people, you don't even need to put out a press conference. I mean, Wanga has put out a press conference, Orengo put out a press conference, Governor Simbarati out with his press releases, and everybody, it was like everyone was busy.
Everybody's talking.
Why? You know, why? Let it go. And one person has spoken. They're all fighting to figure out what are we going to do life after Baba.